Well, good evening, good evening, good evening. My name is Tom, and technically it's good morning, good morning, good morning. We just finished our shift a little bit past 12 o'clock, midnight, and as a result, it's morning time. As you can see, we finished our day with 375.84. We were shooting for a minimum of 270 and thought we were going to get capped at 360. We wanted to make more than 360, and we were successful in accomplishing that goal. Would have liked it to have been over 400. That's when I'm happy. That's when I'm really happy, is when I make over $400. I get really frustrated when I'm capped at $20 an hour, mainly because of that drive that's inside of us as an independent contractor, as an entrepreneur. You know, we strive for excellence in everything that we're doing. We're constantly refining everything that we do in order to try and produce as much as possible. You know, and it's very frustrating when you're limited to your earning potential. So everything went pretty smooth. Remember, this morning's video was on merchant forgiveness, and we ended up going into a couple of merchants that were on my ban list, and we did not have any problems. And so I'm glad that I decided to do this year. This is the first year that I've erased all the banned merchants. I think I'm gonna try and tweak it a little bit more and do this twice a year. So remember, it takes 3 strikes to get onto the list, and then twice a year we're going to wipe that clean and see if, you know, things can change. Yeah, so everything went fine. The one thing that I really had a problem with today, just to be, you know, open about it, was I have not been shopping for about 2.5 months, and I found that I was making more money when I wasn't shopping and I wasn't doing alcohol orders than when I was. And so I decided, well, you know, I tried to avoid the holiday season. I didn't want to shop, you know, for people's gifts and that type of stuff, or major holiday, you know, grocery shopping. I didn't want to, you know, try and contact the customer because they're out of string green beans, you know, for their green bean casserole. I did not want to shop for somebody's toys or any of that other type of stuff. So, you know, I've had this off shopping, you know, turned off. Yeah, probably missed out on some good money, but, you know, things have changed on the app, and I'm not enjoying the shopping experience anymore. I think the thing that stands out clear to me would be the row, the section. I just preferred getting to know the store the old-fashioned way of where these different sections were. I just wanted to know the row number, and then I got familiar with the stores because I wanted to become a master of my marketplace. Now it seems like it's so refined, and the tags don't necessarily tell you, from what I've learned at some of our stores, that you're at, say, section 15. So I spent more time trying to count sections to try and find what it was that I was looking for, and just did not like the experience. So I found it to be a waste of my time. What I call a vampire order. And yeah, so I won't be doing shopping, and I won't be doing alcohol. I'm strictly going to be doing large orders and food delivery and retail. Now, I did do a grocery retail today, which I was avoiding those just because I don't like the scanning. Talked to the lady inside, and she had mentioned that the only complaints that she really hears is if there's a bad signal or bad Wi-Fi, or they can't scan the barcode, then that's when things become an issue. So we'll see if we run into that problem. Same thing, 3 strikes, you're out. That won't be a merchant ban, that will be an order type ban. So I'm home and tired. I pushed the envelope yesterday, and I'm going to end this. I'll see you in the morning. Tomorrow we'll be going over a brief history, work history for myself, just so that you know a little bit more of who it is that's talking to you, and maybe that'll give you a better understanding as to why I'm saying some of the things that I'm saying. And that should happen first thing in the morning tomorrow morning. So hopefully you guys all did excellent today, all you guys and girls, and you made as much money as possible. You got home safe. Your new year is starting out well. You're focused, you're driven, and I look forward to running alongside of you and chasing that money. You guys have a great day, great night, and I will see you tomorrow.